太久了。这个也很理论。
那就小厂，那就可以打保证了，打保证。你拿这个图片去拍个箱子的打算？
这个是吧？嗯。
这个箱子的打那个图片，这个在这儿。
是啊。
嗯。我这个该怎么拍的？
按照。
就给它删零了。
打过了呗。
啊。我那个老来是给打到这个地方。大家来吃，然后还会打，我觉得，然后就是这样，也还是打，因为这个我们这两个电脑，这样。
麦克风输出，OK， 又连接了啊。Okay.
Go.
Come here. Master Liu, come over here, man.
Hello, everyone.
You wanna make the introduction? You wanna introduce? Yes, it's already out, man. The live stream is already out. Okay, hello everybody. Good afternoon from China. This is Juan from Noveset. This is Master Liu from SoFix. So today, this afternoon, we're gonna explain to you guys the from 2016 to 2020 the MacBook models BIOS and the ROM circuit.
No,
sorry. Okay.
The M1.
Okay, M1. Sorry, because we just did it on Facebook. So yeah, now we're gonna do it on YouTube. It's gonna be another topic. It's gonna be the ROM, the big 2020 MacBook models and ROM circuit M1 model, the new model. And also, they are gonna show you guys share it out to change the MacBook serial number and no power for repair is T2&M1 model. This is the second topic. And the last topic is gonna be the QE time. It's gonna be question and answer time. So if you guys have any questions about the MacBook repair or about this topic, so you are welcome. You're more than welcome to leave your comments on the comments area. So after we explain to those first two topics, we're gonna get to the QE time. So we're gonna answer your questions. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Master Liu, your turn.
Okay. So before we are talking about the T1 and the T2, okay, we change the serial number. Okay, you can see in the book the T1, T2. Change the serial number. So now we are talking about the M1. To change the M1 serial number. T1 and before the older model T1, T2, the serial number inside the T1 and the T2, in the BIOS tree and the T2 row. Okay, in the T2 row. You said why do I need to change the serial number? Because sometimes you change the motherboard and you change the button case. The serial number is different, so you want to change the original serial number, the original number. So the M1 from the 2020 or the 21, and the 21 and the M1 Pro, M1 Max. M1 Pro and M1 Max. M1, the M1 Pro, M1 Max, M1 Max. This model. As example, this one and this one. A2, 3, 7, and A2, 8. Okay. This model, two model is a MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. This are Air. Now you can see the model. One. MacBook Air. MacBook Pro. Okay, this one. This MacBook Pro A2338. Okay, A2338. And this is M1 model. This one is a MacBook Air. Okay, MacBook Air A2337. Okay, so this motherboard, so which one is different? Only the MacBook Pro, you have the taskbar. Okay, have the taskbar. MacBook Air, no taskbar. Okay, no taskbar. So you can see the serial number. Okay, which one is inside the which one chip? You can see the M1 motherboard. These are M1 chip. So these are M1 CPU, M1 RAM, the memory. Okay, this is memory, and these are NAND, NAND chip. Okay, in the other side, this one is a Wi-Fi chip. Okay, Wi-Fi chip. Okay, and this is a USB-C control chip. It's in the motherboard. You can see the motherboard is so same. Just different is about the touch bar. It's 30-inch and the 50.
Just for only one touch bar, the board. I mean, the motherboard is like bigger. It's pretty much bigger than the M1. The MacBook Air.
Yes, MacBook Air. So just the difference is a touch bar and the no touch bar. So this one. And the socket, you can see the socket also split. Okay. So the M1 model and the serial number inside the wheel, okay, inside the M1 chip. So this will run the T1 and the T2. Okay, the T1 and the T2. So you can see M1.
Even the serial number is inside of this chip. I mean,
yes, inside the M1 chip. Yes, inside the M1.
So it's got to be different. The changing the
yes, no, inside the M1 ROM. You can see the M1 ROM. Which one is the M1 ROM? You see this motherboard. This one is the M1 ROM. But the M1 model, the serial number, no inside the M1 ROM chip. Okay, inside the M1 chip. This one.
It's not inside the ROM. It's inside of the M1, the main chip, the main CPU.
Yes, and this AR also inside this one. M1, no inside the M1 ROM. Okay, so you see this one. Okay, change the camera number.
Okay, the board. Okay, let's go to the.
So the M1 model, the serial number inside the M1 chip, okay, SSN, inside the M1 chip. So the other people, he want to change the serial number, he must remove which one? Okay, that's the M1 chip. M1 ROM. And also the Wi-Fi chip. Okay, together to change the serial number. The difference. So these are about the M1 model. Yes. Okay, it's a different T2 and the T1. It's about the M1 focus. M1 chip, M1 ROM, and the Wi-Fi chip. Okay, to change the serial number. And also maybe you can bypass, okay, or use the software to change the serial number.
Okay, wait a second. So if I want to change the serial number, you mean if I change those three?
Yes, three chips. Because you can see the serial number inside the M1 chip, right? Yes, inside the M1 chip. So you must replace the M1, then you can change the serial number. But the M1 and the Wi-Fi, so together. Because you only replace the M1, also you can display for the restart. Restart because the Wi-Fi data inside the M1 chip. Okay, Wi-Fi ROM data.
So if you want to change M1 chip, you have to change all those three pieces together.
Yes, three pieces. And also the M1 chip, M1 ROM, and the Wi-Fi chip together. Then you can change the serial number. So these are about the M1 model. To change the serial number is difficult. Okay. So sometimes you can maybe you want to bypass. Okay, Okay, and use the other software to change the serial number. Okay, change the serial number. So this is about the M1 socket. To how to talking about the serial number. Okay, the serial number. So now you see the how to repair the other motherboard. For example, the T2 and M1, no power on, no display. You see the display video. Good. Okay, you can see the problem is over time. This is about the T2, okay, T2 model. You can see the problem. This is a MacBook Pro 15-inch, okay, 15-inch. You press the power button, no response, okay, no response, no response. So maybe the problem, okay, about this one about the T2 model. Camera. Okay, the no power one, T1 or T2 or the M1. Okay, and also the T1, okay, the repair method. No power on, no power on, no power on. So you press the power button. You press the power button, no response. Okay. So the problem, no response. So maybe the problem from the power one socket. Okay, from the power one. Okay, from the power on socket. No power. Press the power button. No power. No response. Okay, no response. So now you can see this one video. I use the T2 model. T2 as a number. T1, T2, the repair method is same. You can see. You see the current. Now you remove the screw, okay, and open the button kit. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery. Okay, remember you must disconnect the battery. Then you connect the power supply. Okay, connect the power supply. This cable. You can see this one current, this one voltage. Just the one voltage. Okay, so all the T1 and the T2, all of the problem is only 5 voltage, and you see the current. So the current is important, okay? Before I tell you the T2 model, T1 and the T2, the current, you can see the current, only the 0.58, okay, 0.58. So the problem from the motherboard, the standby socket, okay, from the standby socket. So you can see the current. Power one socket problem. Okay, only 5 voltage. Current 0.58. Okay, 0.58. This one. Current stop here. And the voltage only 5 volts. T2 and T1 is okay. T2 or M1. Okay. Yes, T2 or M1. Here you see that this current or the only 5 voltage. The repair method. Okay, repair method. Okay, so now you can see the continue. See the video. So now you connect the power. Okay. Yeah. Open the schematic. Okay. Open this module. Okay. Open the schematic. Open the schematic and find the T2 row. Okay. Remember, so why find the T2 row? Okay. So you must understand how to find the problem first. This one. Okay. You see the current only the 0.58 and only the 5 voltage. You must check which one first. Okay, you must sure this one. So check the PP bus. This voltage. Okay, and next one is a PP 3.3 G3H RTC and the PP 3.3 G3 out. Okay, this one voltage 1, 2, 3 voltage. You must show this one to the voltage is normal. Okay, PV bus PV 3.3 G3 RTC PV 3.3 G3H. This one voltage is normal. Then you can write the T2 okay. So you see that this current to this one voltage. Sometimes this one voltage and normal. You must prepare this one voltage first. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 voltage first. Okay. Then whatever you choose this one voltage and normal, you run T2 wrong data, not useful. Okay. You must show the voltage is normal, then you can read the wrong data. Try to read the wrong data. Okay, try to read the wrong data. So now you can continue. See this one video. Okay, continue. Now you must check this one voltage first. Then all the voltage is normal. You find the belt tree, or the wrong tree from the schematic. Okay, from the schematic. Now you open the board wire to find this one. Okay, to find the external thing. This is about the T2. So now you find the T2 row. Okay, T2 row. This one wrong tree. Okay, this one this is T2 wrong tree. Then you reprogram the T2 row. Okay, so this is about the T2 and M1. Okay, now you see the this one first. Okay, you read about data. Use the this one T230. Yes, this choose. Okay, this choose.
Use this tool. BY T200.
Yes.
Right in the
yes. So the problem you must check the voltage first.
for writing the for program the the ROM data, right? T2 ROM data.
Yes, T2 ROM and M1 ROM.
M1 ROM data.
Yes.
Okay. So this box, this is T2. This tool is for the T2 and M1 ROM data. For like for fix the ROM data, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the tool.
Yes.
BY T200. So this is the tool.
Oh, you must check the voltage first. You can see 1, 2, 3, and the voltage first. Then you should write the T2 ROM. For example, the voltage and normal, you write the T2 ROM data is no use. Okay.
So what I understood is like you have to, for example, it's like power circuit. You check the voltage, only 5 voltage. The currents. So 0.058. So we have to go ahead and check the PV bus, the PV 3.3, and the PV 3.3. It's like those 3. The places 3 points on the motherboard.
Yes.
So 3 location positions on the motherboard. If everything works well, those 3 locations works perfectly. It's no problem. Then we can go ahead and rewrite the T2 ROM data. So, but first you have to make sure I mean, like physically, there is no failure on the physically on the motherboard. So then if everything works well, so we go to the T2 ROM. So we write the data for the T2 ROM. This is what I understood, right? Okay. For M1 or for T2? It's the same thing, right? This is only for T2.
No, T2 and M1 is same.
And M1 is the same.
And only the M1, the voltage, maybe the net is different. But
M1 is completely different, but this is for T2.
Yes, this is for the T2.
But for M1, the method, I mean, the method is the same method.
Yes, the method is the
Okay.
only the signal you can see. So now I open as example, I open the boardware.
Let's go to the boardware.
Yes, you can see the. Here. You can see, I use the M1 or the T2 as example. Okay, M1 or T2. You can see the T2 model. T2, is M1, and M1 makes M2. Yes, M1 send. Okay, wait. So you can also this one as use the T2. So you can see I said use the search which one PP bus. PP bus. Okay, PP bus G3 hub. G3 hub. You can see this one. So the voltage you can see from where? This voltage from where? From the you can find the source from where? It's a P1 here. Okay, so you must check the voltage. This one from this IC, the charger IC. Okay, produce a PV bus. You check this field. Okay, this field is the voltage normal. So this one voltage normal. Then you check the next one, the PP 3.3 G3 hub RTC voltage. Okay, you must check the one by one voltage. Okay, the voltage are normal. Then you can use the T200 to write the original BIOS data, T2 data, or you can use the UBOS2 to write the original data.
BIOS data.
Yes, the T2 ROM data.
You can use the BIOS, the UBOS2 also for the T2, the ROM data as well.
Yes, the ROM data, the UBOS2 also have the T2 ROM data.
So UBOS2 is like more like comprehensive. It's like more integrated, it's like combo. So that has different functions, right? For BIOS data and also for ROM data, for the T2 ROM data, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes. So this is about the PB bus. Okay, and you can search the other is a PB 3.3 G3 hub RTC. Okay, this is about the T2. So now about the M1. Okay, so which one signal? Okay, and see. As example, I open this one M1 A2338 M1. This one also M1 Pro and M1 Max. So socket also same. As example, this one. So M1 the socket is the name is changed. It's a PB bus AOM. And the PP bus. Okay, underscore the AOM. Okay, AOM. The name is different here. From here, this one. From the also from the charger IC. Charger IC. Then the name is PP bus AOM from this fields. So you can check the voltage from this fields. Okay, this field F5200. This field. Check the voltage first. So this one is about the M1. M1. Okay, M1 and T2. Okay. So these are then you repair the T2 and M1. You can see the voltage 1, 2, 3 voltage. Okay, 1, 2, 3 voltage. So now this one about the M1 and how to repair the T2 ROM. Okay, T2 ROM and the T2 and M1 ROM. Okay, M1 ROM. So this is about that this choose M1 choose T200 and the UBoss 2. You can write this one PV bus. Okay, PV bus and this one what is T2 ROM. And the M1 is which one is the M1 ROM chip?
That means if you for the ROM problem, we can use T200 and also the UBoss 2.
Yes.
Because for the T2 ROM, I can because I only have this problem, so I just buy the T200. I don't have to get. But if you want to have like one box, which is like more complete, I mean not all complete, it's more comprehensive. I mean more functions, so we can use the by the UBoss 2. So this is what I understood, right?
Yes.
Because UBoss 2 is can be used for the BIOS data and also for the ROM data.
Yes.
The ROM data is only for T2 and also for the rest.
Yeah.
T1?
Also have the M1.
M1
and the T2.
T1 no.
T1 no. T1 is the BIOS.
T1 is only BIOS.
Yes.
So what I understood is like UBoss 2 is working for the from 2010 or 2008 the BIOS to the 2020 for BIOS problems.
Okay.
For the ROM problem, it's from ROM. The ROM is from only T2 and M1. Okay, this is UBoss 2, the box, the green box. So for the BY200, this is like for okay, I'm gonna show them the so for the ROM problem, we're using this BY. This is the BY T2M.
Yes, and
this is only for ROM.
You copy the ROM data, change the serial number.
Change the serial number. Okay, this is the function of T2. And for UBoss 2, actually it's like for BIOS and for the T2 and M1 ROM data. So if we just want for the ROM, T2 is enough. But if you want like something more like multifunctional, more functions than UBoss, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is what I understood. Okay. So next question. Now your turn. Because sometimes if I don't understand something I have in my head is like like crispy or something like mixed together. Sometimes I don't answer. Okay, this is for this is for BIOS, this is for ROM, this is for this, for that. So like a little bit like confused here. So that's why I was trying to understand. So maybe because for you guys you are sitting in front of a screen, but I'm sitting in front of him. So for me, it probably it's easier for me to ask and also to communicate. I hope that what I asked, what I was trying to figure out is like something helpful for you guys. Okay, now your turn, bro.
Yes. So this you can see in the here my computer.
It's your computer. Okay, give me a second.
Yeah, this one is about the M1 ROM here. U1970. Also, you can search the U1970 here. This one. So this is about the M1 ROM. Okay, you can see the data is a different T2. Okay, you can this number 64 MB. So the data is AMB. Okay, remember this AMB data. The data is AMB. Okay, so the problem is the current state. You see the current state 0.0.8 current state. So you check the motherboard. Check the working condition, check the voltage. Okay, then you can read the BIOS data. Okay, read the BIOS data. So now this is about the different problem you must choose the voltage first. Okay, choose the voltage first. So this is about the voltage. Find voltage and the current 0 and 5. And now you see the next one. You have any question about the MacBook or about the one, the ROM data, how to change the serial number? You can ask me how to prove.
But you said for
Yes.
one serial number, we have to change those 3 pieces.
Yes, 3 pieces about the M1 to change the
So
serial number.
we change those 3 pieces. Then how we change the serial number?
M1 you cannot use the tools to change the serial
So
number.
how we can change it?
Only replace the 1, 2, 3 pieces. Then you can change.
It's like I have to physically, we have to replace those 3 pieces. But it's gonna be the serial number which is like integrated. I mean from factory. The serial number is already inside of the chip.
Yes.
So you're just like reading the information in the old chips. This is what you mean. This is not something that you just goes into the. I mean, with the software goes inside and write whatever you want.
Yes, so it's a different.
Okay, bro.
T2 model, you can to copy the T2 ROM data. Right? Copy the T2 ROM data.
T2 ROM you can change. You can copy the data and write whatever you want inside of the chip, right?
Yes.
But for M1, it's the original serial number which is inside of the M1. So it's not a change. If you want to change something, you just you cannot rewrite. It's like something which is like originally inside of the chip.
Yes.
So you just replace all those 3 pieces.
Yes. Right.
So if you want, this is I don't think this is complicated, right? This is very complicated.
Yes. So this M1 and the T2 also different. Okay, also different.
For T2, it's like for M1, you want to remove the activation log. You have to replace all those 3-4 pieces of the chips.
Yes.
So it's like a project which is I don't think this is worth it, man.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes. Maybe you can use the Spanish to tell the other people.
And
to
Spanish. The difference. Okay.
Yeah.
Espero que la gente no sé si hay gente que ahora en
Change the camera.
the camera. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the camera. Now you have to change this, bro. Lo que yo entiendo, por ejemplo, para cambiar el número de serial number, el número serial, para el modelo M1, tienes que cambiar todos los 3 chips. No sé para qué, ¿no? Pero bueno, eso si quieres cambiar, eso no es cambiar, si quieres cambiar un número serial, tienes que cambiar todos los 3 chips. Eso no sé por qué. Y para T2 lo que puedes hacer es cambiar para modelo T2, que es, por ejemplo, de 2018 a 2020, tú puedes cambiar el número serial number, ¿vale? Por ejemplo, con este modelo, por ejemplo, decimos, ahora, ok. Por ejemplo, con esta herramienta, T200, se puede cambiar o programar el número serial solamente para T2, modelo T2. Para M1 acabo de explicar otra cosa, es muy diferente, ¿vale? Y después él explicó para este power circuit, para este circuito de alimentación, para este T2 y M1, por ejemplo, no power, no hay alimentación, no boot, ¿vale? Entonces lo que tienes que hacer, por ejemplo, es solamente 5 voltajes, 5, y la corriente es 0.058. Por ejemplo, tú puedes con esta herramienta, por ejemplo, bueno, difícil sacar. Por ejemplo, con
Yes, see the 5 voltage.
Con esto, tú puedes ver si el 5 voltajes y el corriente, ¿vale? Si el 5 voltajes y la corriente es este 58, 0.058 amperios, entonces puede ser problema de lo que tú but you said it use only 5 voltage and a 0.058, then we have to check those three positions, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Only the 5 voltage.
So el 5 voltage es 5 y 0.58.
Voltage first.
Ok,
Yeah.
tienes que ver el voltaje primero y después tienes que ver los 3 puntos. Por ejemplo, PP bus, PP bus, PP3V3, después PP, ok, a ver que están allá, no sé si puede ver ahora. No sé, lo que está abajo, lo que ahora, no, sí. Ahora puede ser mejor, ¿no? Ok, por ejemplo, aquí está. Es esta parte. Tienes que ver esta parte, por ejemplo, los tres puntos. Si los 3 puntos funcionan bien, entonces después tienes que ver, puede ser problema de ROM de T2. Entonces en este caso tienes que programar los estados que está en el T2 ROM de T2. Entonces tú puedes utilizar la máquina, la herramienta, por ejemplo. En este caso puedes utilizar a la herramienta T200 para este ROM, T2 ROM, ¿vale? O si tenemos otra herramienta, por ejemplo, UBOS2. Con UBOS2,
Yes.
también, we also can rewrite the ROM, ROM for T2, right?
Yes. M1
Okay.
and T2.
For M1 and T2 ROM. And also this tool where can be, también sirve para BIOS data, all the BIOS data from the 2008 to 2020. It's for all the BIOS data, right?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, esto es lo que yo he aprendido hoy con la clase. Espero que también entiendan lo que Master Liu ha comentado, ¿vale? No sé si, are you excited if there is any questions over there? Well, let's go to your screen. Everybody, do you have any questions here?
Yes. Everyone have any question about the MacBook, about the M1 or the T2? Okay, the repair issue, and about the change the serial number. Any question? You can ask me. Okay, we are talking about the MacBook model. Hello everyone, have there any question?
Maybe they don't have it. Maybe they don't have it, and if they have any questions, they can contact you directly. You can leave the comments. They can leave the comments in the comment area. So if they have any questions, you guys can leave the comments in the comment area. So after the
Yes.
I mean the video, the live stream is over, so they still can contact you. So if anybody has any questions, they can contact directly. If they don't have now, probably we're gonna see goodbye to everybody. So they can after that they will contact you on the comment area, okay? Let's go. Let's come over here. Let's say goodbye to everybody. Okay, guys, we did. Today we have done like 2 live streams, one on Facebook and one on YouTube. The first one we did on Facebook is about the.
And you said no display issue. No display issue.
No display issue for the T2&M1.
Yes.
So you have to check for which model. So you have to check the current and the voltage and the current is only 5 or 0.058. So you have to check those 3 points, 3 locations, the PP bus and the PP 3.3, which is on this, which is here. So which is here, okay? This part, okay?
These are only the 5 voltage issue here. No display.
No display
No
goes ahead.
display about yes, see the current.
HDMI
Yes, current and
extra monitor.
current, different current, the different problem. Okay, different current also different one. So you want to check the current virtual model. You see the no display issue. What is the no display issue? And how about the current and the virtual model? All the different also the different. And also you can use this one to test the display connection. Yeah. To test the EDP display connector first.
So you this tour. This tour is connecting the EDP, which is the display connector, right?
Yeah, display.
We connect. Probably you can go back and watch our video about the UM2. Probably you can go back to check the another videos about how we use this one. This is a testing instrument. It's a tool for testing, for connecting the ESP connector, also for connecting the power line, right? So you can connect it. Then you will see where the problem is. So with the different abnormal values, you know, okay, where problem is here, problem is there. So for testing tool, because no displays can be different in different situations, right? It's not just the screen, probably screen's working, but that's why you have to connect to the extra HDMI to see the monitor is working. So we have to check different voltage and currents, and also with the testing tool. Also today we also explained like no power. This is no power.
Yes, this is only the 5 voltage.
It's a 5 voltage. So
no display. The problem is different.
So
yes,
that's why we need a testing tool. We test it. We know where the problem is, right?
Okay. I see the current first. Different current, maybe the different problem.
Different current, different problem.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe the CPU not working. Maybe the RAM and then maybe the GPU not working.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So the
different all the model. So I have any question about the MacBook?
Over here. So we don't have any questions, so we have to say goodbye to everybody. Okay, we're done twice. Not done like 2 times live stream today.
I also have the question. You can ask me and use the voice chat. And connect to my
WhatsApp or Facebook or inbox or wherever the comment area. So leave your WhatsApp on the comment area, so we will contact you guys. Okay.
Yes.
And
the voice chat number.
Master is gonna leave his WhatsApp number on the comment area, so you guys can write him, okay? You can write him. What else? We have more? Let's go. We probably will go to your screen. Whatever. No?
Okay. Yes.
No? Okay. You're gonna say goodbye. Okay. Thank you guys. Because we have done today.
Yes,
you want to repeat or that's it?
The Tuesday, yes. Tuesday.
Thursday.
What?
Thursday.
What's day?
No. Today Tuesday.
Oh yeah.
It's Thursday. I mean,
yes.
Thursday we're gonna be on Facebook and also on YouTube.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do it al revés. No sé cómo se dice en inglés. But next time we're gonna do like Facebook. We're gonna do for M1 models. So, but for YouTube we're gonna do like for T2 models.
And before the new old model.
Yes, the old models. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you for staying with us. Okay. See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.